Good morning. My name is Varsha Modi. I am from class 8B and from group 4. I am the captain of the group 4. Today I am telling a topic about natural and synthetic fibers. So let's start. Natural fibers such as cotton, silk, wool are obtained from plants and animals. These are found naturally on the earth without scientifically advantage. On the other hand, synthetic fibers are man-made and are produced entirely with the help of chemicals. Some examples of synthetic fibers are polyester, rayon, and arlic. Synthetic fibers known for better durability and cheaper manufacturing than natural fibers. These are acquired from petroleum products. Synthetic fibers requires for a complex processing produce. Synthetic fibers are made up of polymers. The word polymers come from the Greek prefix poly, which means many, and mer, which means single unit. So polymer refers to a chemical substance composed of many single units. Each unit is called monomers. These are the monomers. It is that single unit which links together form a food chain. This process is called polymerization. The process of combining monomers to make a long chain or polymer is called polymerization. For example, molecules of ethane join together to form polyethylene, commonly known as polyethylene. Thus, polyethylene is polymer of ethylene. These are two types of polymerization, linear and cross-linked. Polymerization depends on the linking of monomers. When monomers are linked linearly, it is the linear polymerization. When monomers are cross-linked, it is the cross-linking polymerization. So, the types of synthetic fibers. There are many synthetic fibers, manufactured fibers. The main ones are rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. So now my friends will explain you about this all types. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you? Myself, Vansh Modi. I am studying in 8th B and I am from Group 4 and I am the captain of Group 4. My topic is rayon, nylon, and polyester. So, first, rayon. Rayon was the first artificially manufactured fiber, so it is referred as laboratory's first gift to the loom. It was developed as a less expensive alternative to silk fabric. Thus, it is also called artificial silk. The starting material used for preparing rayon is cellulose obtained from wood pulp. Since the rayon is said to be a semi synthetic fiber, rayon has a number of advantages. It is less expensive than silk. It blends well with other fabrics, particularly woven ones. Rayon also finds many commercial, industrial, and domestic applications. Rayon is used to make apparel such as jackets, tracksuits, skirts, slacks, blouses, and ties. Medical, surgical products, tires, bowling balls, photographic film, and other industrial products utilize rayon fiber. Household items such as furniture, upholstery, slipcovers, etc., are also of rayon. So, now our topic is nylon. Nylon. It is a common synthetic fiber which is used widely all over the world. Basic raw materials used to manufacture nylon are coal and petroleum. Characteristics of nylon are: fabrics made up of nylon do not crease easily. It is easy to dye. It is wrinkle resistant and wear resistant. Nylon is used in making toothbrush bristles, carpets, socks, stockings, and sleeping bags. Due to high strength and good frictional resistance, it is also used widely for making ropes for mountain climbing and in parachutes. So now my topic is polyester. Polyester. It is a polymer of many east ester units. Tellurian is popular form of polyester, which can be drawn into very fine fabrics. Characteristics of polyester are they are extremely strong and durable. They are hydrophobic in nature, so they can be easily washed and dried. Uses of polyester are its property of being durable finds application in making PET bottles. It is used to make bottles, jars, and also for packaging purpose. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello friends, my name is Ashru Manushali. I am from class 8B and I am from group 4. So my topic are acrylic fibers and blended fibers. So first I will start with the acrylic fibers. So acrylic fiber is often used as substitute of wool. Acrylic fibers can be blended with synthetic or natural fibers. They are also known as old-on fibers. These fibers contain minimum of 85 degree of acrylantic in their chemical structure. I will tell you the major characteristic of acrylic fiber. So, it is used apparel such as fleece, socks, sportswear, sweaters and handlers like this for winters. It is used to make carpets, blankets and upholstery materials. It is used as an alternative expensive warm and cashmere clothes. And now, second one, blended fibers. Blended fibers are created when two, two or when two or more fibers are mixed together to get a new fabric. These fibers are made up of cotton, comfortable to wear, but they shrink or being washed and wrinkle easily. On the other hand, the fabrics made of polyester are not that comfortable as the cotton fabrics to wear. However, the blending cotton and polyester fibers create the material that is comfortable and it does not shrink after getting washed. So, I will tell you some blended fibers we discussed here. So, Tallien and cotton blend, which is popularly known as charicot, is used for making dress materials like this. And the a shirt made from polyester and cotton blend is more grease resistant from the shirt made from 100% cotton. Third, the Tallien and wood blend is also known as terry wool. It is used for substitute of costly woolen clothes. And I am going to tell a fact about the fibers. Spandex is a synthetic fiber which was invented by George Fibres in Virginia. It is highly elastic.
Good morning. Good morning. My name is Vrishna Modi. I'm from class 8B and from group 4. Today my speech is advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers. So let's start. Advantages of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers have high tensile strength. Maintenance of synthetic fibers is hassle-free. They can easily regain their original state. Hence, they offer an unrestricted range of motion to have various of this clothing. They are soft and can be easily stretched. They are durable and less expensive as compared to the natural fibers. Disadvantages of the synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers cannot absorb moisture. They can catch fire easily. They cannot be ignored easily. The synthetic fibers or polymers have become an integral part of our lives. History has starts in the Iron Age, Bronze Age and Copper Age. Based on the extent use of polymers called plastics, it is appropriate to call the current age as the plastic area. So plastics. The word plastics was derived from a Greek word plastikos, meaning able to mold it. Plastic is a synthetic polymer that can be molded or shaped in any form. So thank you, ma'am.
Good morning everyone, I am Dishan Prama from class 8. Today I am discussing a topic with you. My topic is classification of plastic. Plastic plays an important role in our life. Their versatility allows them to use in everything from toy to species, from soft drinks bottle to the refrigerator. They are also used for the isolation purpose of electric cables. Plastic make our life easy and better. How did plastic become the material choice and where its application? It is because of the importance of plastic. Properties of plastic depend on the component of monomers, chains, and the way in which the smaller unit or anyway joined together. Depending on the physical properties, plastic are broadly classified into two parts: thermoplast and thermosetting plast. Difference between thermoplast and thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic. This plastic becomes soft on heating and harden when cold. They are also called thermoplates and can be remolded again by heating. The polymer chains are linked nearly side by side and strongly linked to one another. This makes them soft and stretchable. For example of thermoplates are polythene and PVC. Thermosetting plastic. This plastic cannot be soft on heating. These are also called thermoset and cannot be remolded and again on heating. The polymer chains are cross-linked. They have any between the chains. They make it impossible to break the chains. They are polymers that can be hard and brittle. Some examples of thermosets are Bestlight and Light. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Akash Singh from class 8B from 4th group. My topic is properties of plastics. First, non-reactive. Plastics do not react with water and air. They are highly resistant to chemicals. They are used to store various kinds of material. Also, plastics do not get rusted exposed to moist air. Second, lightweight, strong and durable. Plastics are very lightweight, strong, durable and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. Third, poor conductor. Plastics are poor conductor of both heat and electricity. Plastics are used for insulation from heat and electricity. The handles of screwdrivers and frying pans are also made of plastics. Fourth, flammable. Plastics, being organic in nature, are highly flammable. They melt and burn easily when they come in contact with fire. However, polymer chloride (PVC) is a self-extinguishing plastic. The wonder box is the uniform of firemen have coating of melamine of thermosetting plastics to make them flame and resistant. Thank you.
Hi, I am the Vyom Dangbai Kachadia from 8th B Group 4. I am here to tell you about the uses of plastics. First point, plastic find extensive use in the health care industry. Some of the applications include packaging of tablets, threads used for stitching wounds, syringes and to make surgical gloves. Special kind of the plastics cookware is used for cooking food. Special kind of the plastic cookware is used for cooking food in microwave ovens. Teflon is the plastic which is used in the oil and water does not stick. It is used for non-stick coating on the cookware. PET is the used to make for packing mineral water and medicines. Fourth, polystyrene is used for making electric items. Fifth, PVC is the extensively used for making plumbing pipes, consoling, electrical lining, flooring, upholstery and furniture. Sixth, bakelite, a thermosetting plastic, is used for making electrical fittings. Second, plastic and the environment. We usually get wrapped in the plastic or packed in polythene bags. This is the main reason why waste get decomposed, accumulated around our surroundings. Disposal of plastic waste is a major problem as it is non-biodegradable. A material which gets decomposed by the natural processes by such as action by bacteria is called biodegradable. A material which is not gets decomposed by natural processes is called non-biodegradable. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Tamin Patel from class 8B and I am from the 4th group. My topic is plastic and the environment. While eating the food thrown in the garbage, they sometimes swallow the polythene bags and the wrappers of food. The plastic material chokes the respiratory system of these animals and can cause their death. The polybags thrown in the drain are responsible for clogging the drain. Apart from disposal, the making of plastic generates a large amount of chemical pollutants, which is a threat to the environment. How can this problem be solved? Avoid the use of plastic as much as possible. Carry cotton bags or jute bags for shopping. The biodegradable or the non-biodegradable waste should be collected and be disposed of separately. Reuse and recycle the plastic to minimize the waste. Always remember the 5R principles: reuse, refuse, reduce, recycle, and recover. Thank you.
Introduction. Since ancient times, we have worn fabrics made of natural materials like hemp, wool, and silk. But with the advent of science and numerous inventions, today we can see a wide variety of synthetic fabrics. In this lesson, you will study about the general properties of synthetic fibers and their importance in our everyday lives. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to discuss the synthetic fibers and its types, explain the characteristics of synthetic fibers, list the various uses of synthetic fibers, give various advantages and disadvantages of the synthetic fibers. Now let us join together a number of paper clips. What do you observe? This chain of paper clips is similar to the organization of a polymer. What is a polymer? Here many small units combine to form a large unit known as polymer. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance and is called a monomer. Synthetic fiber is an example of polymer. The synthetic fibers are obtained by chemical processing of petrochemicals. Can you recall the various types of synthetic fibers which you use in your everyday life? Depending on the types of chemicals used for manufacturing synthetic fibers, classified as rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. Do you know that rayon is a semi-synthetic fiber having properties similar to that of silk? Can you guess why is it called a semi-synthetic fiber? It is a man-made fiber obtained by chemical processing of wood pulp, which is a natural resource. Do you know that rayon is also known as artificial silk? It is cheaper than silk, but resembles it. It can be woven like silk fibers and dyed in a wide variety of colors. Rayon can also be mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets. Do you know what is the first fully synthetic fiber? Oh yes, it is nylon. The very first nylon product was toothbrush with bristles. Can you think why nylon is so popular for making clothes? Well, nylon fiber is strong, elastic, light, lustrous, and easy to wash. It is used in making many articles such as socks, ropes, tents, car seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. Can you guess which fiber is used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing? Yes, it is nylon fiber, since it is stronger than even a steel wire. Can you guess just by hearing the word polyester, what is it made up of? As the word polyester comes from words poly and ester, it is clear that it is made up of repeating units of esters. You might have seen people wearing nice polyester shirts and other dresses. Fabrics made of this fiber do not get wrinkled easily, remain crisp, and are easy to wash. Have you ever heard of terylene? It is a popular polyester fiber. Terylene can also be mixed with natural fibers like cotton or wool to give terrycloth or terry wool respectively. Terylene is used extensively in textile industry to make clothes like saris, dress materials, upholstery, etc. Have you ever noticed that your mother always buys PET jars for storing rice? PET is a familiar form of polyester made in bottles, jars, films, wires, etc. To protect us, we wear sweaters and shawls and use blankets. Do you know that many of these are actually not made from natural wool, though they appear to resemble wool? You'd be wondering how these are prepared then. Well, these are prepared from acrylic fibers. These are synthetic fibers made from polyacrylonitrile. Acrylic is lightweight, soft and warm, with a wool-like feel. Can you think of any advantage of acrylic fiber over wool? The wool obtained from natural sources is quite expensive, whereas clothes made from acrylic are relatively cheaper. Besides this, they are available in a variety of colors. The disadvantages are that the acrylic tends to fuzz easily, and that it does not insulate the wearer as well as wool or cashmere. By now you know what makes synthetic fibers more popular than the natural fibers. Let us recall the characteristics of synthetic fibers which make them so popular among us. Because of high strength of synthetic fibers, they easily bear heavy loads without breaking. These are durable. Fabrics made of these fibers soak less water, hence they dry up quickly. The synthetic fibers do not get easily wrinkled and hence are convenient to wear. The fabric made from synthetic fibers has great elasticity due to which it can be easily stretched. These are less expensive, thus affordable. Fabrics made of these fibers are readily available and easy to maintain. Do you know that besides having many advantages, synthetic fiber have few disadvantages too? Synthetic fibers are mostly uncomfortable to wear during summers, since these trap our body heat and do not absorb sweat. Also, we are advised not to wear clothes made of synthetic fibers while cooking in the kitchen or burning firecracker during festivals like Diwali, since these easily catch fire and hence are dangerous to wear. Match the following. Click on the options in the column A and then click on the related options given in the column. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Synthetic fibers are polymers. These are classified as rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic, depending upon the types of chemicals used for manufacturing. These dry up quickly, are durable, less expensive, readily available, and easy to maintain. These are used in making many articles like ropes, tents, carpets, bed sheets, containers, bottles, etc. Fabrics made of synthetic fibers can readily catch fire and melt on burning.